Hi everyone, my name's Ascia. I work for Openreach, which is part of the umbrella company of BT. So Openreach is the engineering sector. We look after all the infrastructure, and my job is I am part of the full fibre delivery service, which is a customer facing role, and I am a field engineer. So on our team, there's different teams within Openreach. As you can imagine, the telecoms industry is vast and wide. So my team is a complex fibre team. So we deal with just fibre optic installations, repairs and complex tasks. That means day to day, 1 minute I am putting a brand new installation into someone's house. So I can be climbing a pole, I can be working underground, I'll be pulling a cable in, I'll be fitting your fibre optics into your property. So for instance, you can have it hardwired to your computer, you can pay Xbox really quickly, your parents can work from home. So 1 minute I can be doing that, the next I can be going out to repair an installation that has already been done or maybe not has been successful, checking any complex faults. So I can be working all the way back up to an exchange and finding any problems and trying to solve them on the day to get a customer in service. So I actually did engineering through college and university, but I wasn't actually within the telecoms industry. I actually followed in the footsteps of a friend who changed her entire career, came on with Openreach and actually said, this is a fantastic place to work. They give you lots of options, lots of growth within the company. And I thought, yeah, you know what, that's somewhere I can be. I actually did avionics, which was part of wiring. So I was quite knowledgeable about wires and telecoms and the way the industry worked already. I applied to be an apprentice. I came on as an apprentice and worked my way up, and I've now been fully qualified and actually gained further skills on from that as well. So communication skills, definitely. I would honestly say to have a mindset and be flexible, to want to know how things work, to sort of be self-reliant as well, because you do manage your own time, you manage your own diary, so diary management, all them key skills are really good. To have an interest in this sector as well would benefit. To want to know how when you look at something, how to break that down, how to rebuild it, how to make it better, how to find a solution, be a problem solver. They're all sort of key things that I would say would make you a very good engineer. Obviously take a look at Openreach website. If there is any apprenticeships, it's fantastic to come on as an apprentice and to know from scratch the way that Openreach like to do things. To be an engineer in any sector really, I would definitely have a look at apprentice schemes to go in. If you are still at college, I would focus on communication skills and also any verbal skills that you can do. Maths, you do need a tiny little bit of maths, not very necessarily complex stuff. Maybe even doing something like design technology would give you a massive advantage on using some equipment and some tools, and your manual dexterity would be greatly benefited. I love my job because I am out and about every day. I am not a home bird. I live all day in my van, as you can see. Work in my van. I get to meet new people every day. Some people that actually work on my team and I've not met. I get to travel. I get to go on loan to different places. I've been to Eastbourne, Hastings, all over the country with work. And I must say that is one of the benefits for myself, why I like working for Openreach.